Good morning, students. Today we will continue the same chapter which we were studying in the last class, and the name of the chapter was Reproduction in Animals. Today we will study about the bird's life cycle, or the way the birds reproduce. All the birds reproduce by laying eggs. Most lay them in nests, and the female bird sits on the eggs to keep them warm. And warming up of the eggs by the female birds is known as the incubation. What it is known as? Incubation. Then this egg hatches out and the baby bird comes out. The different stages of development from an embryo to a mature adult is known as the life cycle. A baby bird is called a chick. Parent birds feed and look after the chicks until they can fly and look after themselves. Till that time they are cared by their parent birds. And next is the reproduction in case of amphibians. We know that they are the animals which can live on land and water. Frogs and toads mostly. A female bird lay hundreds of eggs at a time. Hundreds of eggs at a time in a lake or pond. Tadpoles come out of the eggs after hatching. They move like fishes in water. Their tails are lost. When tadpoles start growing, they are developed into an adult frog within due course of time. And this process of transformation of an immature form to an adult form is called the metamorphosis. What it is called? Metamorphosis. Okay? Next is about the reproduction in case of insects. Reproduction in case of insects. Insects like cockroach and grasshoppers have only 3 stages of development: egg stage, larva stage, and adult stage. Egg stage, larva stage, and adult stage. After molting, the larva of a cockroach is called the nymph. The larva is called the nymph. After molting many times, it changes into an adult. Insects like butterflies and houseflies lay eggs which have 4 stages of development: egg, larva, and one more stage is there, pupa, then the adult stage. And this larva of butterfly is called the caterpillar. The larva of butterfly is called the caterpillar. Then larva of housefly is called the maggot. The larva of the housefly is called the maggot. Now this is all about the animals which lay eggs. Now animals that give birth to young ones or the small babies. Mammals come under this category. Mammals give birth to young ones. Mammals give birth to the young ones, and parents or the babies of the mammals grow inside the body of the mother for many weeks. Mammals are among the parents who show the highest parental care to their babies. The mother feeds her babies with her own milk. She guides them to find and live on their own. Seek care till they are able to look after themselves. And some examples of mammals are dogs, cats, rabbits, cows, buffaloes, goats, and many more. Human beings are the only mammals which look after not only their children but their grandchildren too. This is about this chapter. Now we have finished this chapter, and without wasting any time, now we will move to the exercise part. Those who have books, please take your book, and those who do not have books, take your notebook and start doing the exercise with me. First exercise is fill in the blanks. We have to do this exercise either in the copy or in the book. If you have book, do it in book with pencil, and if you don't have, do it in copy. First question is animals. Animals such as dash 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 and dash lay eggs. And the answer for this is birds. Then amphibians. Birds, amphibians and insects. Birds, amphibians and insects lay eggs. Now, question number 2. Dash give birth to. Dash give birth to young ones. Dash give birth to young ones. And the answer for this question is mammals. Mammals give birth to young ones. Mammals is the answer for this question number 2. Now next question 3. Dash protects the embryo. Dash protects the embryo and gives water to it. And gives water to it. Gives water to it. And the answer for this question is albumen. Albumen. Now question number 4. The larva of a cockroach. The larva of a cockroach. The larva of a cockroach is known as dash. And the answer for this question is nymph. N-Y-M-P-H. Nymph. Now question number 5. The tailed aquatic larva. The tailed aquatic larva of a frog is known as dash. Of a frog is known as dash. And the answer for this is tadpole. I will read the answers one more time. You can pause the video in middle and write, or take the screenshot and write. The answer for the first question is birds, amphibians and insects. For the second question, mammals. For the third question, albumen. For the fourth question, nymph. And for the fifth question is tadpole. Now we will do question number B. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct answer or choose the correct option. Please do with me. We are moving to exercise B. Choose the correct answer. And the first question is, the embryo in the egg develops into dash. Develops into a dash. Three options are given: chick, then yolk, and third option is pupa. And the answer for this is chick. Now question number 2. Albumen contains a large amount of dash. Contains a large amount of dash. Again, three options are given. First option is vitamin. Second option is protein, and the third option is fat. And the answer for this question is albumen contains a large amount of protein. Option number B is correct, protein. Answer for the first question is chick, and the answer for the second question is protein. I hope filling the blanks is over. I am going to rub that. Now, without wasting any time, we will move to question number 3. Question number 3 of choose the correct option. Part B of the exercise. Question number 3 is the process of shedding the old skin. The process of shedding the old skin is called dash. Old skin is called dash. Again, three options are given. First option is life cycle. Second option is hatching, and the third option is molting. And the answer for this question is molting. Now, we will move to question number 4. In a cockroach life cycle, there are dash. Again, three options are given. First one is two stage. Second one, 3 stage. And the last option is 4 stage. And the answer for this question is, in a cockroach life cycle, there are 3 stages. Option number B is correct, 3 stages. Now question number 5. The larva of a housefly is called, the larva of a house fly is called dash. The larva of a house fly is called dash. Again, three options are given. Maggot. Then second option is pupa, and third option is nymph. And the answer for this is, the first option is correct. Maggot is the correct answer. You can pause the video and write. I will tell the answers one more time. If you are doing in the book, tick it. First answer is chick. Second answer is protein. Third answer is molting. Fourth answer is seed stages. Fifth answer is maggot. I hope all of you have done either by pausing the video or by taking the screenshot. Now we will move to the next exercise of the same chapter. Exercise C. Write T for true and F for false. Write T for true and F for false. This is the exercise C. Please do it with me. Write T for true and F for false. The first question is, mammals look after their grandchildren also. Look after their grandchildren also. After their grandchildren also. Now only we studied not the mammals but the humans. Humans come under the category of the mammals but not all the mammals. So this statement is false. Question number 2. The larva of a, please do it. The larva of a butterfly. The larva of a butterfly is called dash. The larva of a butterfly is called, not dash but caterpillar. Sorry, this is true or false. The larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar. This is true. This is true, so we will write T. Now question number 3. The tadpoles are similar to their adults. The tadpoles are similar to their adults. This statement is also true, so we will write T. Now question number 4. The yellow part in the middle, the yellow part in the middle of the egg is called yolk. Egg is called yolk. And the answer for this is true. Now the last question of this true or false is, all animals reproduce in the same way. All animals reproduce in the same way. This is false. Some reproduce by laying eggs and some by giving birth to the young ones. So this is false. I will tell the answer one more time. You can pause the video and write. First answer is false. Second one true. Third one true. Fourth one true. Fifth one false. Today we will write the exercise of this question answer also. I hope that all of you have written it. Now I am going to rub it. All of you take your notebook, those who have books and those who do not have the book. Both, because now we are going to write. Answer the following questions and answer the following you have to write in the notebook. First question, we will start writing. Very less questions are there, only 5 questions. Start writing. Answer the following. Answer the following. Write the heading also. Question number 1. What is reproduction? Name the 2 ways by which animals reproduce. What is reproduction? This is the first part. Second part. Name the 2 ways. Name the 2 ways by which animals reproduce. And the answer for this question is the process by which new living beings are. Reproduction is the process. Reproduction is the process by which new living beings are. By which new living beings are produced. By which new living beings are produced. Now the next part, we have to write the 2 ways. The 2 ways are by laying eggs. By laying eggs and by giving birth to young ones. Giving birth to young ones. Now next question, question number 2. What is incubation? What is incubation? Please write it. What is incubation? We have to write the answer for this question. What is incubation? Incubation is the period of warming up the egg. The period of warming up the egg by birds is called incubation. Now we will move to question number 3. What are the 4 stages? What are the 4 stages in the life cycle of a butterfly? Butterfly. Describe with the help of a diagram. Describe with the help of a diagram. Diagram is your homework. You have to draw yourself from the book. I will write the 4 stages. Answer is 4 stages are egg, larva, pupa, and adult stage. I will show you the diagram and I will tell you the page number. You have to draw this diagram yourself from the book. Okay, this is your homework. This diagram is given here, page number 31, this diagram. Leave one page after writing this question and draw yourself this diagram, no? You have to draw yourself from your book. Life cycle of a butterfly given on page number 31. This is your homework you have to do. Now 2 more questions are remaining. We will do that. Question number 4. Where do? Leave one page after writing question number 3 and you can draw diagram in that page. Question number 4. Where do animals play? Where do animals play their eggs? Where do animals play their eggs? And the answer for this question is animals play their eggs. Animals lay their eggs in a secure place. In a secure place. This is the answer for this question. I will read the answers. By the time you can pause the video and write. First answer, reproduction is the process by which new living beings are produced. The 2 ways are by laying eggs and by giving birth to young ones. Question number 2, the period of warming up the eggs by birds is called incubation. And the answer for third question is 4 stages are egg, larva, pupa and adult stage. After this you have to leave one page and draw the diagram from the book. And question number 4, animals lay their eggs in a secure place. Now we are going to write the last question of the chapter, question number 5. After writing this, we will finish our syllabus. Last question we are going to write, question number 5. How do birds and animals parental care? This is your last question. How do birds and animals show parental care? And the answer for this question is parent birds and animals feed their babies until they parents birds not the animals, we will write separately. Parents birds feed and look after the chicks until they can fly. Now about the animals. animals show the highest parental care. Show the highest parental care. Highest parental care. The mother guides them. The mother guides them to find food and live on their own. This is the answer for fifth. Now we have completed the syllabus and 2 more lines you have to write. Do you know what you have to write? You have to write the summer assignments now. Today is our last class before the vacation. Okay, so we will write the summer assignments also. You can write it separately. I hope this question number 4 and 5 you have finished. Please write the summer assignments. Summer assignments for GSE of class 4. Summer assignment for GSE of class 4. Please write it. 2 works you have to do. First one is write it. Write about wildlife funds. Wildlife funds for nature. Wildlife fund for nature, that is known as WWF. And its work. This is your first work. Now question number 2 and the last work is make a list of some national parks and sanctuaries found in India. These 2 work you have to do, and both work you have to do on chart paper. You have to take 2 chart papers, one for the first question and one for the second question. I will read the questions one more time. Write about World Wildlife Fund for Nature and its work. Question number 2. Make list of some national parks and sanctuaries found in India. This is your summer assignment work. Okay? Do it, and when school reopens, I will check it. Thank you, class.